We look at the tragic events of January 27, 1967, when the Apollo 1 mission experienced a disastrous mishap, in this special video presentation. In this video, we honor the Apollo 1 crew and explore the tragedy's enormous effects on both the Apollo program and space travel in general. Let's talk about Apollo 1 tragedy and legacy in space exploration. The Apollo program served as a metaphor for humanity's bold endeavor to leave Earth and land on the Moon. The first crewed mission of this program, Apollo 1, was intended to highlight the remarkable technological advancements and the bravery of the astronauts participating. Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger Chaffee were selected as the first astronauts to explore the Moon. The crew underwent hard training as the launch date approached to get ready physically and emotionally for the challenges that lay ahead. To assure the mission's success, the Apollo 1 spacecraft, known as the Command Module, underwent rigorous testing. However, a successful trip to the Moon required overcoming technical and engineering challenges. Tragic events occurred on that terrible day, January 27, 1967, during an ordinary pre-launch test. The Apollo 1 Command Module caught fire, quickly engulfing the ship. The fire took the lives of the entire crew despite their best attempts on the ground. Grissom, White, and Chaffee were astronauts who died while pursuing space exploration and serving their country. An comprehensive examination was carried out to identify the fire's cause after the Apollo 1 accident. It was discovered that the quick spread of the fire was caused by a mixture of design defects, including exposed wiring and a pure oxygen atmosphere paired with flammable materials. The study prompted a thorough examination of NASA's spacecraft design and safety procedures, which resulted in substantial modifications that would increase the safety of upcoming missions. The astronauts on Apollo 1 did not give their lives in vain. Their terrible death acted as a turning point for the Apollo program, revolutionizing it and assuring the success of the ensuing flights. Crucial design changes, including as the installation of a safer atmosphere within the spacecraft and improved emergency escape mechanisms, were made as a result of the lessons learned from the Apollo 1 catastrophe. These adjustments made it possible for the succeeding Apollo missions, which finally led to the historic Moon landing in 1969. Let's pause a minute to honor the valiant astronauts Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger Chaffee who perished in the Apollo 1 disaster. Future generations of astronauts and explorers are continually motivated by their bravery, commitment, and pioneering spirit. As a permanent homage to their legacy and sacrifice, memorials have been built at a number of locations, including the Kennedy Space Center and Arlington National Cemetery. Beyond the tragedy itself, Apollo 1 has left a lasting legacy. It continues to exist in the never-ending spirit of discovery and the unrelenting search for knowledge. The knowledge gained from this disaster has influenced upcoming space missions and advanced technology, safety, and our comprehension of space. Let's remember the Apollo 1 crew and their contributions to the advancement of knowledge and exploration as we draw to a close this video tribute. Their death serves as a somber reminder of the dangers involved with exceeding human potential. May their legacy serve as an inspiration for us to reach for the stars, to keep pushing the envelope of human discovery, and to keep in mind the steadfast courage of those who came before us as we venture beyond the limitations of Earth.